going to show you how to edit different pages on the back end and on the front end. And to add pictures to your media file. So go ahead and log in with your username and password. Now first I'll show you the media manager. That's found right here. If you click on that, this is where all the photos are added. It automatically, any of the articles, and I'll show you this, will automatically default to the stories folder. So that's where you want to put any images that you want to include in the, on any of the pages or on any of the condolences. You can see all the different images I've used on the pages are there. To add a new one, all you do is go down here to the upload file and click on browse, and it'll open up your hard drive. So then you just search for it and click on the open, and then you click start upload, and it will load it into your media file. So it's very, very easy. Now to do it from an article, let's say you wanted to put it in an obit. Let's go and select that category. If you go to the test obit, let's say we want to add an image to the right of Mrs. Test. What you would do is just go down here to the bottom. You put your cursor where you want it to appear. Click on image, and it will automatically default to the stories file. And then you just, if it's not already in there, you would browse for it here. Or if it is in there, you would just click on the image, and then you can align it left or right. Now you want to do either. If you want the text to wrap around it either way, on the right or left, you want to pick the alignment. So right now we want it to place on the right side. And then you hit insert, and it places it to the right of all the text. And it starts it from up here at this top area. And then you would just hit save. Right now we're going to go ahead and take it out and hit save to get out. So that's really, really easy. Now, if you want to alter one of the pages that are on the website, it's very easy. You just go in and find the page. Typically, any of the pages that I use on a website, they usually don't have a section or category. They're just called uncategorized. So like on, let's say on services, you wanted to change something, some wording. So what you see is what you get, editor. So all you do is go in here and you can change the typing, add to it. Here you could set as to whether you want it in paragraph format or if you want something to be a heading. I think typically I've used heading 3 for all the headings in here, but you can experiment with that. And then you would just hit save any changes that you would make. So it's very easy. Now doing a fact, if you want to add another fact, again what I typically like to do is I like to split it out into just seeing the facts that I have listed there. All the facts are actually just articles. They're just in the section and category frequently asked questions. So it's really very easy. All you do is hit new. You're already in the section and category you need. Give it a title and an alias. And then you go ahead and type in what you want. And then over here, what I do in the parameters, I really don't think it matters in the parameters for the frequently asked questions, but you can, if you want to, go ahead and click the hide the author and create a date, modified, and I usually hide the print, PDF, and email icons. And then you would hit save, and it would become a new frequently asked question. As long as it's published, then it will appear in that listing that is already on the website. So that's easy enough. I don't think there should be any other questions to that. I think that's all you need to know. I will go in and tell you with the auto tweet. Remember, this is a component. What auto tweet does is it will automatically send to Facebook. That's what we have it set up for, is for Facebook. Even though it's called auto tweet, it's going to Facebook. What will happen is once you publish one of your obituaries, it will appear in the job query. It'll appear here first. It usually takes a couple minutes. What you need to do is you need to go into your Facebook and have that open and have that active. And then it kind of recognizes that you're doing stuff in there and you're posting, so that it will appear in the job query. Once it's in the job query, it'll get scheduled, and it doesn't take, I've had one take maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, if that, before it queried or before it went out of the query. Then it will show in here that it was posted and it was successful, and then it will post to your Facebook account. So it's pretty easy. But what you have to do is, when it gets in here, is you will have to approve it before it goes. It'll go in the query, and then it'll go in the log, and you have to approve it. I don't have it set to automatically approve. I wanted to make sure that you needed to approve it. So definitely go in here, look for it. It'll show, I think it's a red box that'll show, needs approved. You put a checkbox in it, hit approve all, and then you'll be good to go. Then you can check your Facebook account. I think that should be it. If you need anything else, Matt, just let me know.